Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now that our game is starting to look good, it's time to change this horrible background. Unlike in the home menu, we won't be setting an actual picture as the background, but instead we'll just change the color and the camera options. To do that, simply click on the main camera, and in the camera tab you have background color. Click on the color picker and we want to choose a grayish color. This actually seems good. If you want to get the exact same color, you can use this hex color code. Another thing that we want to do with the camera is that we want to make it follow the player game object. If we click play and try to jump as much as we can, we notice that the camera isn't following at all now and the player just goes out of the screen. I have watched a lot of tutorials on this topic, and what people usually do is they choose a simple way out by just adding the main camera into the player game object. That means they take the camera and make it a child of this game object. That way the camera will always follow the player game object. But that's not always what you want to do because it doesn't look very good. The camera doesn't work at all like this in the original game. So let's go ahead and undo that. Simply drag out the camera out of the player object. To fix this issue and to make the camera look just like in the original game, we will first need to learn a bit more about colliders and triggers. I will explain everything that you need to know about them in the next lesson, and if you are already familiar with them, feel free to skip the next lesson and jump straight into the camera modification lesson.